Hi everyone, this is me Supriya and I'm so happy to see you all here again today on our Cosplay Genie channel powered by Nordwind Gaming. So as you all know that Christmas is around the corner and this is one of our favorite festivals where we get a chance to do a Christmas cosplay. So a few days back I was playing Mobile Legends and had this character Miya, which I personally really liked it. So decided to cosplay Miya on this Christmas. And I think it's going to be a fun project to work on. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to use this black hairband and a brown fabric which I had this earlier. So I'm going to use that only, and now I'm going to cut a strip out of it and then I'm going to paste it onto the headband. Applying adhesive onto the headband here. And then I'm going to apply it onto the strip as well. And then I'm going to paste them all together. So in order to achieve the smooth finish, I'm going to stretch the fabric a little. I will cut the extra fabric and then I'm going to use the 4mm EVA foam sheet and place the headband over it. This is because I want to have an estimated measurement of the headband so that I can cut this rectangle out of it. And now I will cut this rectangle with a pair of scissors. So this is the required part that I will be using for the headband. And now I'm going to apply a heat gun onto it because I want to shape it however I want to. I also want to cover this rectangle part with the brown fabric, so I'm going to cut it according to the size of this rectangle part. Now applying the adhesive onto the fabric and onto the rectangle part as well. So this part is almost done and now I'm going to paste this onto the headband with the help of an adhesive. And my next job is to create the pattern of the antler. So this is the pattern and now I'm going to cut it with a pair of scissors. So with this pattern I'm going to cut 4 parts out of it, because there will be a layering and cotton will be there inside of it to make a puffy look. So my 4 pieces are almost ready here. So this is the cotton that I was talking about and I will place it between these 2 parts. So in order to create a puffy look, I will be only adding the adhesive on the edges and fill the cotton inside it. And now it's time to paint these antlers with red acrylic paint. So there's another accessory for the ponytail, and I'm cutting leaves out of it. I will require 3 leaves, cutting thin strips as well in order to create some detailing. And now it's time to paint these leaves with green acrylic paint. Painting the backside of the antler with red paint as well. And now it's time to paint these antlers onto the headband. Cutting a small rectangle out of the foam sheet so that I can place these leaves onto it. And I'm also going to add these red balls onto the leaves. For a smooth finish, I'm going to paint these antlers with red paint all again. And for an even better look, I'm going to shade the antler with the cherry red color. And it's all done. So that's all for today's video where the headband is done, and the next video is about the props, so stay tuned to Cosplay Genie. This is Miss Supriya signing off for now. See you soon.